We'll be making today for you banana bread pudding, the butter, evaporated milk, vanilla, cinnamon powder, your bread, and basically that's it. Other ingredients will be added as we go along. Thank you for watching so far. Did I mention the bread? Boom, sunbeam, giant bread. There we have the evaporated milk, the spices, and the sugar that's about to be added to the jug. Combine everything together, mix very well. Add a pinch of salt. Peel your bananas and put them in the blender and blend until a smooth paste. Of course, add the milk before you blend. Pour the milk and the spices mixed together into the blender with the bananas. I'm going to butter the Pyrex dish all around the edges and the bottom. Make sure to cover every area. Then now he's going to layer the bread in the bottom of the container, the Pyrex dish. And repeat the process until the bread has filled up all the container. Almost finished layering the bread. As you can see, they're well buttered. Press the bread in gently with your fingers. Now we're about to pour the blended mixture of all the milk and the spices and the banana. Now we have poured the liquid. You're going to let that soak for a time, and I'll put the exact minutes that we put it to soak for on the screen for you. You're going to pour, press, and add more liquid until it's finished. And the bread will continue to soak up the lovely added liquid on top. Add a few raisins before putting it to soak. Use a spoon and press, press, press. Press gently. See some of the liquid coming on top. And this is after about an hour of soaking, people. Yeah. It's ready for the oven. Placed it in the oven. See you in a few long, people. My goodness, the pudding is ready. Me said the things smell good.
Things smell good. Oh,
let me give you a close up, man. Me say the sensation in this place. Smells so good. Woo. That's the finished product, guys. Thank you for watching to the end. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you for watching.